In today's fast-paced world, the essence of true communication seems to be fading away. Back in the day, our elders found solace in nature, fostering genuine connections with friends and family. Collaboration meant working together, learning life's lessons without expecting everything to be handed to us on a silver platter. Critical thinking was consulting with loved ones, drawing from their wisdom. Creativity thrived in simplicity, not in the pursuit of instant gratification. Problem-solving was about discipline and facing consequences, not avoiding challenges. Ethics and accountability were ingrained in traditional values, shaping our actions. Leadership was about real-life experiences, not just what we see on screens. Global awareness meant understanding diverse perspectives, not just what's convenient. Embracing change is essential, but let's not forget the timeless values that shaped us.